Reverend Father Wilson Topno, SDB can be described as calm, steady, disciplined, intellectually grounded, and quietly pastoral. He was born on 24th May 1994 at Sarupathar, in the Diocese of Dibrugarh, Assam, and belongs to the parish of Ornalpur. He is the son of Gregory Topno and the late Herinch Celestina, whose faith and values deeply influenced his vocation. Father Wilson entered the Salesian congregation and began his religious formation with the novitiate at Sunnyside on 28 May 2014. He made his first religious profession on 24 May 2015 at Upper Shillong, followed by biennial profession on 23 May 2018 at Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati, and his perpetual profession on 25 May 2022 at Don Bosco Provincial House, Guwahati, committing himself permanently to the Salesian way of life inspired by Saint John Bosco. His formative and apostolic journey has been marked by diverse experiences. He pursued philosophical studies at Nashik, 2015 to 2018. And later undertook practical training at Dotma, 2018 to 2020, where he served in the pre-novitiate formation ministry. He completed his Master of Philosophy at Nashik, 2020 to 2021, and continued with practical training at Warangal, 2021 to 2022. He then pursued theological studies at the Salesian House of Theology, Shillong, 2022 to 2025. Father Wilson was ordained deacon on 1st July 2025 at SHTC, Shillong, and was ordained priest on 10th January 2026 at the Dibrugarh Cathedral, marking a significant milestone in his vocational journey. Academically, he holds a Bachelor of Arts, along with ecclesiastical degrees of BPH and MPH. He is fluent in English, Hindi, Sadri, and Assamese, enabling him to minister effectively in diverse cultural contexts. With a calm demeanor and steady commitment, Father Wilson Topno, SDB, brings to his priestly ministry a spirit of service, intellectual seriousness, and Salesian pastoral sensitivity, especially in accompanying young people on their journey of faith.
Reverend Father John Gowning, SDB can be described as mission-minded, resilient, culturally sensitive, quietly committed, and pastorally grounded. His vocation is marked by missionary openness, solid formation, and generous service to the church. He was born on 16 January 1989 at Willong Khule, in the Diocese of Imphal, Manipur. He is the son of Renatus Gangaba and Rebecca Kala, and hails from a faithful family that nurtured his call to religious life. His home parish and village community have played a significant role in shaping his faith and commitment. Father John entered the congregation and completed his novitiate at Don Bosco Sunnyside, Upper Shillong. He made his first religious profession on 24th May 2015 at Upper Shillong, followed by his subsequent profession on 23rd May 2018 at Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati. He made his perpetual profession on 24th May 2021 at Sirjali, joyfully committing himself permanently to the Salesian way of life inspired by Saint John Bosco. His formative journey included philosophical studies at Yercaud, 2015 to 2017, followed by practical training at Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati, 2017 to 2018. Demonstrating a strong missionary spirit, he was sent as Gens to Ukraine, 2018 to 2021, where he served the mission with dedication and adaptability. After returning to the province of Guwahati in March 2021, he continued his practical training at Tangla and later pursued theological studies at the Salesian House of Theology, Shillong, 2021 to 2025. Father John was ordained deacon on 1st July 2025 at SHTC, Shillong, and carried out his diaconal ministry at Gojapura and Sirjali. He was ordained priest on 15th January 2026 at Willong Khule, his native place, amidst the prayerful support of his family, confreres, and the faithful. He is fluent in English, Hindi, and Manipuri. With a heart shaped by missionary experience and Salesian spirituality, Father John Gowning, SDB, brings generosity to his priestly ministry.
Reverend Father Sanjosh Sangma, SDB, whose vocation is shaped by perseverance, academic engagement, and a deep pastoral concern for people, especially the young. He was born on 20th November 1994 at Failbury village, in the Diocese of Guwahati, and belongs to the parish of Gojpara. He is the son of the late Junindro M. Marak and Helmilla D. Sangma, whose faith and resilience greatly influenced his vocation. Father Sanjosh entered the Salesian congregation and completed his novitiate at Saviyog Bhavan, Siliguri, 2014 to 2015. After years of formation and pastoral experience, he made his perpetual profession on 24th May 2024 at Don Bosco Provincial House, Guwahati, committing himself permanently to the Salesian way of life inspired by Saint John Bosco. His formative journey included philosophical studies at Salesian College, Sonada, 2012 to 2018, followed by an extended period of practical training at Sunnyside, Shillong, 2018 to 2022, where he was actively involved in youth ministry and community life. He later pursued theological studies at the Sacred Heart Theology College, Shillong, 2022 to 2025. He was ordained deacon on 1st July 2025 at SHTC, Shillong, and exercised his diaconal ministry at Dimakuchi and Rongajing, gaining rich pastoral exposure. He was ordained priest on 17th January 2026 at Gojpara, his home parish, in the presence of his family, confreres, and the faithful. Academically, Father Sanjosh holds a bachelor's degree in sociology from North Bengal University and a Master of Social Work, MSW, from Assam Don Bosco University, along with an ecclesiastical degree in philosophy and theology. Fluent in English and Hindi, and gifted in music, he also attended Scout Master's training and a project management workshop. With heart rooted in service and social sensitivity, Father Sanjosh Sangma, SDB, brings youthful energy, pastoral warmth, and professional competence to his priestly and Salesian ministry.
Reverend Father Francis Xavier Minge, SDB, comes across as a quietly grounded and deeply committed Salesian, shaped more by fidelity and inner depth than by display. His personality reflects the strength of a faith-rooted family background, calm, steady, and dependable, with a natural sense of responsibility that has matured through years of formation and pastoral exposure. He was born on 4th March 1984 at Bhagitoli, Jharkhand, in the Diocese of Gumla, and belongs to the parish of Nodi. He is the son of Lawrence Minge and Cipriani Minge, and the youngest of 6 children in a faith-rooted family that fostered his religious vocation. Responding to God's call, he entered the Salesian congregation and completed his novitiate at Sunnyside on 29th May 2013. He made his first religious profession on 24th May 2014 at Upper Shillong, followed by profession on 23rd May 2017 at Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati, and his perpetual profession on 24th May 2020 at Bosco Mount, Tura, committing himself permanently to the Salesian way of life inspired by Saint John Bosco. Father Francis Xavier pursued philosophical studies at Salesian College, Dimapur, 2014 to 2017, and underwent practical training at Amkachi, 2017 to 2019, gaining valuable pastoral and community experience. He later completed his Bachelor of Education at Don Bosco College, Tura, 2019 to 2021, and continued with theological studies at the Salesian House of Theology, Shillong, 2021 to 2024. He was ordained deacon on 1st July 2024 at SHTC, Shillong, and carried out his diaconal ministry at Kumarikta and Sojong. He was ordained priest on 15th January 2026 at Nodi, Gumla. Academically, he holds civil degrees of PU, BA, and B.Ed, along with an ecclesiastical degree in philosophy. Fluent in English and Hindi, and skilled in computer applications, Father Francis Xavier Minge, SDB, brings simplicity, dedication, and a pastoral heart to his priestly and Salesian ministry, joyfully serving God's people and the young.
Reverend Father Peter Canisius Sangma, SDB, can be described as gentle, reflective, academically inclined, culturally rooted, and pastorally attentive. He was born on 21st December 1993 at Koinghui, in the Diocese of Tura, Meghalaya, and belongs to the parish of Dalu. He is the son of Everson M. Sangma and Jeromini A. Sangma, and grew up in a faith-filled family that nurtured his call to religious life. He is the youngest among 4 siblings. Father Peter Canisius entered the Salesian congregation and began his formation with the novitiate on 24th May 2014. He made his first profession on 24th May 2015 at Upper Shillong, followed by his subsequent profession on 23rd May 2018 at Salesian College, Dimapur, and his perpetual profession on 24th May 2021 at Sirjuli, joyfully committing himself permanently to the Salesian way of life inspired by Saint John Bosco. His formative and apostolic journey reflects both pastoral grounding and academic pursuit. He completed his philosophical studies at Salesian College, Dimapur, 2015 to 2018, and underwent practical training at Sirjuli, 2018 to 2019, and Dotma, 2019 to 2020. He later pursued master's studies while residing at Rongkho Parish, 2020 to 2022, enriching his intellectual and pastoral outlook. He then undertook theological studies at the Salesian House of Theology, Shillong, 2022 to 2025. Father Peter Canisius was ordained deacon on 1st July 2025 at SHTC, Shillong, and served his diaconate at Sojong and Dumni, gaining valuable parish and pastoral experience. He was ordained priest on 24th January 2026 at Dalu, his home parish, in the presence of his family, confreres, and the faithful. Academically, he holds BA and MA degrees, along with ecclesiastical degrees of Bachelor of Philosophy and Bachelor of Theology. He is fluent in English, Hindi, Bodo, and Garo, enabling him to serve diverse communities effectively. With a gentle demeanor and steady commitment, Father Peter Canisius Sangma, SDB, brings pastoral sensitivity, cultural rootedness, and Salesian zeal to his priestly ministry, especially in service to the young and the local church.
Reverend Deacon Sebastian Basumetri, SDB, can be described as humble, hardworking, steady, people-oriented, and pastorally committed. He has a deep commitment to the education and pastoral care of the young. He was born on 1st October 1989 at Boskobri in the Diocese of Tejpur, Assam, and belongs to the parish of Udalguri. He is the son of Barnabas Basumetri, a farmer, and Smunti Basumetri, a homemaker. Growing up in a large and faith-filled family, he imbibed values of hard work, humility, and service. Deacon Sebastian entered the Salesian congregation and began his religious formation with the novitiate at Sunnyside, Shillong, on 24th May 2012. He made his first religious profession on 24th May 2013 at Upper Shillong. His formative journey was marked by steady perseverance, culminating in his perpetual profession on 6th May 2022 at Don Bosco Provincial House, Guwahati, committing himself permanently to the Salesian way of life inspired by Saint John Bosco. His academic and apostolic formation has been diverse and enriching. He pursued philosophical studies at Yerkod, Tamil Nadu, 2014 to 2015, and completed his Bachelor of Arts at Don Bosco College, Tura, 2015 to 2018. His pastoral training included practical training at Tangla, 2018 to 2019, and Dotma, 2019 to 2020. He later completed his Bachelor of Education at Bongaigaon, 2020 to 2022, equipping himself for the educational apostolate. He undertook theological studies at the Sacred Heart Theological College, Shillong, 2020 to 2025. Deacon Sebastian was ordained deacon on 1st July 2025 at SHTC, Shillong, and proceeded towards priestly ordination, offering himself generously to the service of the church. Deacon Sebastian will be ordained on 14 April at St. Joseph's Church, Kubirali, Assam. Academically, he holds BA and B.Ed degrees, along with an ecclesiastical degree in Bachelor of Philosophy. He is fluent in English, Hindi, and Bodo, enabling him to serve multicultural communities effectively. With a humble disposition, steady commitment, and a pastoral heart, Deacon Sebastian Basumetri, SDB, brings Salesian zeal, educational competence, and quiet dedication to his priestly ministry, especially among the young and the marginalized.
We need them in life's early morning. We need them again at its close. We feel their warm clasp of friendship. We seek them when tasting life's woes. At the altar each day we behold them, and the hands of a king on his throne are not equal to them in their greatness. Their dignity stands all alone. Oh, broken men you have chosen to lay down their lives for the sheep, but you can fill shattered vessels. Oh, you raise them up piece by piece. Oh, sorely by sin they are tempted. The great are no more than the least, but faithful you stand, the protector of the beautiful hands of the priest. When we are tempted to wander by sin, the hands of a priest will absolve us, not once but again and again, not once but again and again. And when we are taking life's partner, other hands may prepare us a feast. But the hands that will bless and unite us are the beautiful hands of the priest.